long speeches and hype on that talk. It's going to be quick sound bites as we move to this press conference. On the occasion.
Everybody here, Namaskar, good evening everybody, and hello and Namaskar to women in Mumbai, in India and all the world, wishing you all an empowered and informed and hence a very happy Women's Day world over. I shall now sit to speak on your instruction because you all have your mics here. And I also sit to speak because I don't speak just for myself as an individual, but all the esteemed dignitaries here sharing the dais with me. Dr. Seema Malik, God bless you. Incredible vision, incredible heart, incredible commitment. You and your entire team. Dilasa has been a revelation to me. And hopefully through this platform today and with the help of the media, please help shed more light, inform all your viewers, all your readers, a lot more about the wonderful, committed, sincere efforts of Dilasa, who are actually here working towards empowering the women of our society, helping them, being their mothers. Women's Day is not just the 8th of March. 8th of March is the opportunity for us to sit here, draw attention through some members, like all of us sitting here and me included. We get the opportunity to draw attention to such vital issues, socially troubling, weakening, making life so much more challenging for our women in society, not just in India but all over the world. But a day like this on our calendar gives us the opportunity to tell you all that we need action. We need attention, we need action, we need more than words, we need effective work that can help give more power to the word empowerment when we use it so liberally, where women of our society are concerned. So every day is Women's Day. Every day is a very important day in each one of our lives. But we need to be there for each other and speak up for each other. And Dr. Seema, with work like your organization, with commendable work that is a constant endeavor with the UNAIDS, with the UN body that I am so grateful to have had the opportunity to continue working with right until this very moment and so on forth. Mr. Osama Tala, Dr. Louise, thank you so much for coming to India today and coming to Mumbai and sharing this experience with us with such a perseverant nudge and push by me. Thank you, Tina, for making it happen, because I really thought it was important for you all to come here, to see for yourselves what's really happening in our country, and as you all rightly say, for effective work to be done here in India as well, it reflects on the continual efforts of the UNAIDS globally. And if we get such an opportunity to share with our friends here, members of the media, and through you with the people out there, the constant effort that Dr. Sukuraj, Dr. Mahendra Valiwala, Dr. Naresh Goyal, and so many wonderful soldiers of the mission that work tirelessly, that work sincerely, but very often these efforts do not get the attention because it may not be the most, breaking news of the day. So I think it's important on days such as today, events such as this, that we have the opportunity to draw attention to the work that's going on, that through you we educate women and men socially about the access to what we abbreviate to PMTCT, but it's basically prevention of mother to child transfer of HIV. There is access, there is medication, use the aid, use the help, use the information, go to the hospitals, get yourself tested when you're pregnant. जब आप गर्भवती हैं तो टेस्ट कराना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है अगर आपको HIV है कि नहीं, तभी आप मदद और सहायता का उपयोग कर सकेंगे। सहायता है, डॉक्टर्स आपकी सहायता कर सकते हैं, लेकिन सबसे पहले ये टेस्ट कराना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। हर औरत अपनी माँ का ही एग्जाम्पल देते हैं और देते होंगे, बिकॉज I'm blessed to have my mother for my mother.